What's going on, peeps? It's about damn time we got some more fishing stuff in. Christ, it's been so freaking long. Alright, well, let's get down to business. So, we got our this month's mystery tackle box, and I will say it's pretty badass this month. So, I'll start off, and let's start with my favorite thing in the box, which I think is freaking awesome. It's this search bait. I love trolling, so like I said in other videos, so this thing is going to be freaking sweet. So let's take this thing out and see what it's all about. The reason I like trolling so much is I love, you know, underwater cameras and getting shots of fish taking my bait. And so search baits and any kind of swim baits and stuff like that, you can tie on and it's perfect. And one like this is perfect because it'll pull a lot of drag. So if you use underwater cameras like the GoFishCam, like when the camera's pulling, and if there's a lot of drag on your bait, you'll get a perfect shot of your bait. So, and this is really got a lot of nice action. Look at that. This thing is wiggling like a maniac. So, well, it looks pretty realistic. You can see the mouth. It's pretty good. So there's that. And that's our search bait. Pretty sweet. Saw crawls, and it's juiced with stank. Like if you've been getting mystery tackle box for a while, you've heard of stank before, and actually does work pretty good. So, and these look pretty good. Like it's some stained water. These will do some damage. I'll definitely they definitely look like they'll do something. So, but they got nice red and black glitter on it. Nice action on it. So yeah, these will do good in some stained water. So these are pretty cool. Next up we have the Jenko Fishing Premium Spinnerbait. Nothing special, but this thing definitely will do the job. So we'll be kicking some trout's ass with this bad boy. Oh yeah. Sweet. One thing I really like in this is the runt. It's a little mini crankbait by Ketchco, and you know, this is pretty nice. Ketchco's stuff is honestly getting better and better and better. As the year went by, it went from being just basically garlic scent to full-blown lineup of legit lures. This is definitely not a $2 bait. It's really nice. Pretty happy with that. And it definitely looks like it's going to produce, especially with bass. And crappies. I can really see crappies going with this. So this will be fun. So that's the Runt by Ketchco. And it's a slow sinking bait too, which I like. Got some pegs. Nothing crazy. Jig. Ketchco jig. Pro Series X Zone lures. Crawl. Black, got some blue flake. Pretty good. Look nice. And this is something I want to try, the Brush Guard Splitter. These are brush bands by Big O's Game Changer Lures. So, and what they're going to do is basically keep it from snagging up all the time. I never use stuff like this, so. But this is why you get Mystery Tackle Box, because I never use stuff like this. They sent it to me, now I'm going to use it. It gets you out of your comfort zone, and that's why Mystery Tackle Box is cool. And last but not least, the sticker, dude. Come on, we gotta look at the sticker. And this one's awesome. Boom. Dude's in jail. He's a goner. He's coming with me. But a bait like this Weston bait, you know, with a fish camera like this, I'm sure you've seen something like this nature. You know, you tie it on, and this is going to drag the camera so perfectly that you'll get perfect shot every single time. So this is really cool, and I'm glad they sent something like this. Look at the action on that thing. It's crazy. So, hell yeah. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to Mystery Tackle Box. Every month they give you some bunch of cool stuff to look at, and that's why I'm into it. Every month I get something new, and that's what I'm all about. So I suggest you do the same, and happy